Delhi's air quality has now taken a severe hit again, with multiple areas now breathing toxic air. Chandni Chowk leads the list at an AQI of about 448. It is followed up by RK Puram at 424. Rohini stands at 417, while Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium at 410. So you can see all the figures above 400. Now, other hotspots including Anand Vihar, Wazirpur, Mundka, ITO, Dwarka Sector 8 and Narela, all of them are also in severe zone. Now, viewers, according to the Central Pollution Control Board, the 24-hour average AQI at 4 p.m. on Tuesday stood at about 372. It is up from 304 from Monday and 279 on Sunday. So you can see the trajectory, how the air quality is now worsening. From the average of 279 on Sunday and 304 on Monday, it went to 372 on Tuesday. In fact, out of the 39 monitoring stations across Delhi, 16 have now crossed the severe mark, which is known to seriously affect health. Transport here remains the largest contributor at about 18.4%. It is followed up by local industries and emissions from neighboring cities such as Noida, Ghaziabad, Baghpat, Panipat as well as Gurugram. So you can see the hotspots just around the Delhi are also doing same. Now the air quality early warning system predicts that Delhi's AQI will stay in very poor category over the next few days, with mist and haze expected at night as well. Now residents, especially children, the elderly, they are advised that if you have any respiratory illness or any conditions of that sort, take precautions, stay at home if you can't, and also avoid the morning walk if you can. And meanwhile, the Delhi High Court is now scheduled to take up a petition today seeking for the immediate actions to address the dangerously high levels of air pollution in the national capital. Now, viewers, during the initial hearing, Justice Sachin Datta noted that this petition functions as a public interest litigation, PIL, and therefore should be placed before the bench that deals with the PIL matters. Now, the case will be heard by a bench comprising of Chief Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay as well as Justice Tushar Rao Gedela. The petition here has been filed by Greater Kailash Second Welfare Association, and it urges the court to direct the implementation of urgent, effective and scientifically sound measures to combat the city's worsening air pollution. In fact, according to the petition, Delhi's air quality has sharply declined in recent years, with the air quality index often falling into the very poor, serious and sometimes even hazardous categories, specifically in the winter months, as something we are witnessing right now. So the plea here highlights that rising pollution levels have led to ongoing and serious health problems for residents, including children as well as elderly. And today, of course, the court will be hearing this plea. So that's the latest we know today. The plea over the rising air pollution in Delhi will be heard. We'll have to see how the Delhi High Court, in fact, reacts to this.